study for recess. Why are we talking? Matthew, take my line to my door.
La palabra del mes es ¿qué? De diciembre.
Service.
En español.
Servicio.
¿Y qué significa eso? Servicio.
Lending a hand.
A ver, thank you for raising your hand.
It means about helping others, like if they need help, we can like go to or when like a person goes on a day and when they like can like get up or sidewalk,
Yeah, you can help if you see somebody that they broke their leg, you can help them walk to the sidewalk or walk. That's very good. ¿Se recuerdan de ayer cuando miramos el video de servicio cuando tenía como un restaurante el señor? ¿Sí se recuerdan?
Yeah.
Okay, so ¿de qué explicó el señor allí? Habla con sus compañeros. Habla con sus compañeros. ¿Te recuerdas de qué habló el señor ayer?
es como
¿Te recuerdas de qué tipo de restaurante tenía? ¿Y cómo hizo servicio él? ¿Te recuerdas de por qué era como un ejemplo de servicio?
Okay, so every morning during celebration, we do our service announcement during the month of December. We do our character announcements every day in celebration. This month, we're talking about service. So this morning, my announcement said that service is the act of helping others through words, actions, or thoughts. The quote for today was, "I am only one, but still I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can still do something." That came from Edward Everett, who was an early 1800s politician. And this morning I reminded the students to serve others either by their kind words this morning, helpful words this morning, helpful actions, or thoughts for others.
Okay, raise your hand if you can tell me what service means. What does service mean? Jose's the only one who can tell me? Fernando.
Service is like serving someone
Yes, giving some. Very good, like giving part of yourself to help another person. So I'm going to read us just asked. It says, be different, be brave, be you. I want us to think about how service is working in this.
Service, correct? So, going back to our definition, lending a hand to help somebody else out. Now, over the last couple of days, weeks, we have been discussing what service means, what it looks like, right? In the video we watched yesterday with Artie the orangutan, you guys remember what the examples were of service that they gave? Let's see if you guys remember. Since Andrew just make sure you don't listen. Jace, you got some other examples from service from the video yesterday? Go ahead.
So one I believe was a girl asked for his jacket, and then she went behind like in the corner, and then packed his jacket for food and necessities.
Gotcha. For example, the rest of your tables here, take a minute.
So
I'm sorry. So why do you feel it's important to implement your SEL lessons?
So I feel that it's important to implement SEL lessons so that the kids know, like I think we assume that kids know how to behave, how to treat others and things like that, but they really don't. They need a lot of help on how to kind of control their emotions, how to treat other people with respect, how to be generous, how to show kindness, things like that. And when we use the SEL lessons every day, we look at the videos and then we talk about the videos and then we talk about ways that we can implement that in our life or in the classroom and recess, because I feel like at this age too, they're growing and they're trying to figure out, like they're trying to figure out how to behave and things like that. So I feel like this really helps them grow as a person. Also, I feel like it helps the classroom be more tight knit when, like, we say positive things about each other and how we can help one another, be nice or kind and things like that. I feel like it brings us closer. And then when we give examples of how to be like that, like kids are, oh, okay, like, and they try to. I feel like I know in my classroom, they picked up some trash on the floor and they said, Miss Witten, I did you a service. I picked up the trash, or they see me struggling with. Some of them see me struggling with all my stuff carrying into the classroom. And they help me, like, hey, I was being helpful to you, or generosity, sharing their thing, like if somebody doesn't have a pencil, they share their pencil, things like that. So I feel like everything they're learning SEL, they implement into their own life. So I feel like it's a great help for the classroom.
Carpet. If you're a lady, remember, you come to the carpet, you sit crisscross, you're one next to the other. Isaías, am I going with you?
Okay. Any other ideas? Yes, Iker. Helping the homeless. How can we help the homeless? Okay, by giving them food. What other ideas do we have? So I want you to take your ideas. You're gonna work with a partner. Take your ideas. Write at least one down on your sticky note. It can be in Spanish or English. I know some of y'all write better in Spanish. Go ahead in Spanish or English. How are you going to show service? How are you going to help others? And feel free to talk about it as you share your ideas and you write them down. So we said, like, holding the door open for others. We said helping the homeless, giving people food, helping someone if they're lost. You can steal some of those ideas.
Do not make me call your parents.
Oh!